or one cox. 3 of them local say that 500. Lady come over, them big toothpaste at 400.
I see you, I close my eyes and I see you. I feel you, I sense you're always there. I hear you, your voice I hear so clearly. So near me, I see you everywhere. And my eyes are filled with tears as you strip me of all my fears. So I stand before you naked and as I am, you fill me with a love too great to understand. Am I dreaming or awake? It's just
yes, peeps. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's a boy, Wolfire 777. Yeah, coming to you from the countryside of Jamaica. Coming to you all the way from Middlesex, Guys Hill, St. Catherine. Yeah. So I wake up this morning in St. Catherine. So that's how the island is. Then I wake up in a different parish. Yeah, but this was a real, I don't know, trial day yesterday and the day before. But anyhow, we're here. I give thanks to the Most High. I have to give thanks every day, because once you're alive, you have to give thanks to the Most High, you know? Yeah. So I am walking to the main street, not taking no vehicle yet. I'm going to show now. Yeah, so all of this is St. Catherine, Guys Hill to be exact, and the county is Middlesex. Yes. So in Jamaica we have 3 counties now, Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey. So this is Middlesex. Middlesex go all the way into St. Ann, yeah, and so forth. Yeah. So this is normally, so this is top Middlesex, and there's below Middlesex. Yeah, some people say bottom Middlesex, but yeah. Yeah, so today we're up on the road here this morning rather. So I'm on my way to Linstead, then Spanish Town, and see, you know, we can get some business done and can head on back into Montego Bay. So it's a very busy week. It's a very busy week for me. From Monday I've been on the road early, and today is Wednesday. So hopefully I can get what I have to do accomplished just today and finish, and that will be it. So actually every Christmas in Jamaica they have something that they call road works, as in the MPs in the community and the constituents give the people them cleaning work to clean the road, some sweep and cut the roadside so that the roadside are properly bush, as you can see. Yeah, make the roadside properly bush and stuff like that. Yeah. So in the countryside, people look forward to this every Christmas, because this is a ways of them earning extra money to help themselves and their families. Yeah. Yeah, so then people get up early from morning, because I heard them on the road early this morning. I was going to get up early this morning, but I didn't start recording as yet. But then the sun come up and never feel like walk or that far no more. Yeah. Didn't feel like walk so far no more. Oh, there must have people yard. Exactly, a roadside. Yeah. Cause even here, so I'm just cut off. Because this still look chaka chaka. Yeah, this still look chaka chaka. Yeah, still look chaka chaka. But typical Jamaicans. Eh? No. Come here, deal, son. Yeah, you see me soon. Yeah. So peeps, anyway, I could have the camera because I don't want to record the people that are actually working. I'm just showing you the people working, raking and everything and chopping. So anyway, stick and stay. Eh? The sun hot, man. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, dude. So yeah. So as I say, they're actually doing some road work. Cleaning the side of the road.
Santa big man, sorry.
Who that?
Santa big man.
Who that? Oh. So yes, peeps, on our way to the community, the crossroad that is called Benbow. Yeah, so this is the streets, countryside of the street. The countryside. And up here wasn't severely affected by the hurricane either. Yeah, but it's very nice to wake up in the countryside of Jamaica. Yeah, put up a stand. Yeah, it's very nice to wake up in the countryside of Jamaica in the morning here, you know. Yeah, and I say before, when I look in Jamaica and I come a country, most of the people that used to do a lot of farming, they're actually dead. Because all them places are full of banana and a lot of food. But not anymore. Down the gully there, I mean, people used to plant more, but I realized that even in the country, people used to do a lot of farming. People still doing it, but not to the extent that they used. So I don't know, I don't know what is happening. It's like these young youths, they want quick money. They're not really into this farming, and they have a lot of land. Very fertile land too. A lot of them just want to reap. They can chop a banana and a plantain, cut one cane, and that's it. And dig one yam from where they plant a couple of years ago, and it did there, stay there and grow. They want to do real farming. Yeah. One of them places used to produce a lot of food to supply. People used to come, and guys, they'll come buy food. Dasheen is a plant up here for export. I know that for sure. Irish potato used to plant a lot of Irish potato up here. Hello? We had a lot of Irish potato used to plant up here. But not anymore. You see a lot of bananas. Not all to that either. A whole lot of bananas. You know, banana grow wildly. Yeah, you would always see a lot of banana. Yeah, so sometimes it's good to walk instead of taking a taxi up, all the way up here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go on top of the road, take a taxi and head on into Linstead. Yeah, and it's the Christmas season. It's a season to be jolly, as they say. Yeah, but I don't celebrate Christmas. Not for me. Because for me, Christ wasn't born and Christmas 25th December. That's crazy. That's a lie. But one time when I used to live here at one point, it used to be more livelier. I guess a lot of young youths are actually moving away from the community after growing up. A lot of them actually move out after making some money. So I travel overseas. In this house here, look like an abandoned, nice house. Very nice house. Yeah. And majority of them house here in the country, majority of these people actually accomplishing it from farming back in them time. They don't know what they're doing it now. Alright, down there still look like they do a lot of farming down there. It's a land plow up and all of that. They have pumpkin. Not pumpkin, it look like pumpkin. Yeah, it look like pumpkin and it look like cucumber from afar. Yeah. Yeah, so we have reached Ben Bow. B-E-N-B-O-W. Ben Bow. So I was gonna say down there is Middlesex. So if you drive where I'm coming from, you can end up in Middlesex, Manig, Ochi. You can drive and reach. So this is Ben Bow. Reaching the town now. So anyway peeps, stick and stay with the taxi. We'll go Linstead. Don't go nowhere. So the streets. We are in Linstead now. We are in Linstead again, peeps. Come on, follow me down the sucker. I want to go up at the bus park. Yeah. So we're coming from the country, from Guys Hill, St. Catherine. Fix my camera good. Yeah. Yeah, the camera good, peeps. Yeah. Coming from the country again, peeps. And we're in a Linstead again. Linstead, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. Yeah boy, all the fire 777. And it's like holiday now. Holiday again in Jamaica. The people are preparing for the holiday season. Yeah. People are preparing for the holiday season. The police then out. Okay. Make sure there is law and order in the town. The sun is hot, peeps, trust me. The sun is hot here in Jamaica. They tore down this plaza completely and building it over. Wow. This is a big plaza here, they tore it down. Yeah, this is a big plaza, so they have a drone up there. Battery are dead, a drone. This used to be a big plaza and then tore it down. Instead doing a lot of building over. Linstead really need a facelift. It has always been like this for years now. So it really needs a facelift. Some of them buildings are really for tear down. Yeah, so yesterday was a busy market day. So Tuesday is a busy market day in Linstead. Wednesday is not so busy, but because it's coming on to the holiday season, Christmas season, which is we are in the Christmas season, so a lot of people still come out. Can't walk without nobody to recognize me. Oh, go on.
Me also me alright. This guy.
Eh?
Yeah, there you go.
There, you know?
Oh, I have on your chest.
And from chest, how you look like?
Camera.
Okay, well it's a camera.
Oh, everywhere I go.
Yeah. Yeah, I document my life. Everywhere I go, I have my camera. I have a YouTube channel. I tell her I have a YouTube channel.
Yourself?
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, all the 577 TV. So let's subscribe. A good door. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. Do the accent, me put extension on me here. Like seriously. Babes, come on. Real man do that. Who want to do that, but to reach his own. Bun them thing the straight. No extension for me as a man. So then say, artist from Montego Bay. So yes, people come out and install and thing. People come out with their stalls. So during Christmas season, holiday season, Grand Market, which is the 24th, the streets will be crowded from in the week before. So it's always be like in Linstead here, St. Catherine, Jamaica. It has always been like that every year. Very crowded during the season. When I say crowded, I mean extremely crowded. Extremely crowded, peeps. So everybody and them granny come out to sell. The streets up now. So normally people come out and hold their space from now. So during that time they are okay. They will be okay. Bella, Bella. So yes, peeps, I just want to stop again, but I think I do enough stopping. I want to keep moving now. What I say? This is Linstead. I'm busy. Busy week for me. Money?
Yeah, go on with.
Rich. I'm rich friend over there, so. I will see you saying now. Okay. Love that. Alright, big up yourself over here. Sorry dear. Alright, peeps, so as I say, this is how Linstead is now. This is how Linstead is.
Lady, come over, them big toothpaste are 400. Lady, them big fruit and juice are 400.
So I think I'm gonna get a little seat a little bit and deal with a little issue. And then I get back to you, peeps. Oh, no, that's rubbish and at the same time too. So you need to peeps stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Instead of when I live this place in Jamaica during the Christmas season. Alright, I'm going to sit down, and juice the patties. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Peeps, we are back in Ochos Richos. So for this week, we come at Ochi. A lot of time to come at Ochi for this week. We've been Ochi almost every day this week. Almost every day this week we have been in Ochi, from Monday to Wednesday. I've been in Ochi, so then we'll get a bus now. We'll go Montego Bay. In the bus park. So this is Ochos Richos again, please. And Ochi look good for Christmas. But it's early hours, so the buses are actually in the park. So you have to walk to the park. Bus in the park, peeps. It's an early time now. Yeah, so if it's the first time I'm coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And peeps, trust me, when driving, I rather to drive on the old road. So if you guys are acquainted with the old road as in driving Montego through Fatespen and come through Fern Gully, I love drive, but on the new highway, on the new toll, I've driven on there, driven myself, but when I'm driving with a taxi or, you know, especially a taxi, hey, that road, especially going down the hill on the new highway, it's too freaking fast. The cars are going. Trust me, it's like driving in a super fast car, one of them sports car there. Yeah, on a racing car there. Anyway, let me see if I'm gonna try sardine me up, because if I try sardine me up, I'm not going night. Because I don't like them a sardine me up. And then vehicle them try to pack too much people. Once them try packing too much people, I just not going night. Anyway, stick and stay peeps, don't go now. So yes peeps, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Here we are back in Montego Bay again, and you see, night reached at Montego Bay. So anyhow, showing a little bit of Montego Bay while I go on in night town. Stick and stay. So you see, this is Montego Bay in night, as I say. Just reached Montego Bay. And this is what's happening. Yeah. So this is what happening peeps. So I might end this video now or later. Should I? So yes peeps, this is Montego Bay Street. This is the street of Montego Bay peeps. Yeah, this is the town. And as I say, Christmas now, so everybody will come out and sell. Crazy amount of people there sell in a night of peeps. Not like Linstead, you know, really lively like Linstead, but it's lively. Yes, so thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing peeps. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect to you, one and all, big and small, short and tall. I really appreciate you guys watching and sharing and commenting, and you know, this is a little part of what I go on in Montego Bay. As Grand Market starting in Montego Bay already. More people come out selling. Yeah. So yeah, this is Montego Bay peeps. So anyhow peeps, yeah, and I have a Christmas tree over there, so anyhow, yeah, it's Christmas tree over there, so yeah, extremely big Christmas tree. Yeah, them have a lighting the 21st of December, so you don't even fix up it for me. Yeah, that is that. When you peeps, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Do it to the best of your ability. So until next video, big up on yourself and remember, God over devil, life over death, good over evil all the time. Yeah, and evil shall never prosper, never prosper. Yes, and the evil I got pay, and I'm gonna pay back everything. Big up on yourself, peace out.
I see you, I close my eyes and I see you. I feel you, I sense you're always there. I hear you, your voice I hear so clearly. So near me, I see you everywhere. And my eyes are filled with tears as you strip me of all my fears. So I stand before